a heat sensitive material on this pillow. Check this out. The more I push, the more I get that heat transfer. But when you lift it up, the heating element actually turns off. Narwhal booth, CES 2026. They got the brand new flagship Flow 2, the top dog in the RoboVac space. The biggest change is the fact that it's more intelligent. This one can identify anything and identify it specifically. Let me tell you what I mean. It knows the difference between a dog and a table and a crib. You want to have the device lower its volume when it gets near a crib because you might have a sleeping baby. That's an example. Also, you might have certain sensitive objects. You want the vacuum to stay a little bit further away from it. Through that level of identification, you can kind of customize the behavior, whichever is suitable for the object that it happens to be encountering. I've seen it make some super tight turns around the dog bowl, for example, with barely any gap whatsoever. This has a threshold climbing capability of 1.57 inches. The main thing is this Omnivision recognition. So you can see it says pet, table, crib, and it knows the difference. But look how tight. Look how tight it can get. They're describing the obstacle recognition as limitless. It's limitless. It can identify any object that you throw at it. Now, what about cleaning? The whole point with the Flow 2 is that not just a vacuum, but it's also a mop, as opposed to like a typical spin style brush. This is using a track mop instead. You've got water that moves through and cleans the mop in real time. So the mop is being cleaned as you use it. This just means it's going to be able to clean up a mess faster with fewer passes. Keep coming with me this way. We've also got handhelds, and there's a new handheld this year, which is a specific device for cleaning couches and mattresses. So this is a handheld, like you're going to actually operate it yourself. It's not just a vacuum, it also vibrates in order to loosen up debris that might be on your surface. This metal plate heats up in order to kill bacteria, and then there's a UV light as well. So this one's pretty cool. This is the new V50 Cube. It is a very lightweight, 0.4 kilograms. Now this is also adjustable, so I can adjust the height like this. And the beauty of it is it's all-in-one design. So I come back to my station here and it just slots in there. And then we're gonna have up to 100 days of cleaning. This can either go into a removable basket or into a bag, so it's your choice. Plus, this has got to be the coolest feature. There's a fully charged battery that's always sitting in the base station itself. Also, all your accessories fit inside. Then I should also mention they are going to be putting out a stick style. Like, look at how crazy that thing is. That's going to be for like extremely quick little cleanups. But I mean, from an engineering standpoint, it's pretty impressive.